Eggs are pure. September 2022, new scientific discovery. Scientists discover the real root cause of your belly fat. Hint: not diet or exercise. Are you struggling to lose weight no matter how much you diet or exercise? Turns out, it's not your fault. A 2022 study published in Nature Medicine of 52,000 women and men, the largest of its kind in humans, found just one common factor in every overweight man and woman: low brown adipose tissue levels. They also found common in every skinny person were high brown adipose tissue levels. Brown adipose tissue, BAT, also known as brown fat, is not fat at all. It's not a fat storer but a fat shrinker. Its brown color comes from its densely packed mitochondria, which work 24/7 to burn calories from your fat stores and the food you eat into pure, natural energy. Even though BAT makes up a fraction of your weight, it can burn up to 300 times more calories than any other cell in your body.